In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop pop-up ads from apps on Android. If you keep seeing pop-up ads on your Android phone, this implies that you granted the app permission to display over your app, and this app can show pop-up ads. This includes all applications that you downloaded from the Google Play Store that serves ads. Most times, these apps are free. For you to remove these ads from displaying on this application, you need to upgrade to premium service or use the APK file. Meanwhile, in some cases, you might choose not to uninstall this app while you keep using the app with the pop-up. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to stop pop-up ads on your Android phone and how the application is downloaded from their Play Store. So the first one to do is go to your Android phone settings. While on the settings, then you need to scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and tap special app access. Then tap display over other apps. Then tap allow. Now you see a list of applications that show pop-ups app on your Android phone. This includes the Google and Google Play Store service. Now to turn off or disable the pop-up application, you need to do is tap the application that is showing pop-up ads, tap this, and then disable this feature. Once the feature is disabled, the app will stop showing pop-up on your Android phone. So you can also click on the Google Play service, disable over other apps, and with this, you want to make sure you disabled or disallow all the features showing pop-up ads on your Android phone. With this feature disabled on all this app, your Android phone will start showing pop-up ads. So this is one of the quickest way to turn off pop-up ads on your Android phone, even in Google Play Store. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit that button, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.